Luna Classic is testing a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Guys, it's 2023. You should subscribe. That's it. Just click the red button. It's 2023. New year, new. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Luna Classic, we are still trading in between this range, but I do want to talk about a few things in this video. Number one, of course, is the fact that the cryptocurrency market is going absolutely parabolic. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies are seeing a huge short squeeze. So as of right now, the question is going to be whether or not Luna Classic will follow. There are a few things that we do want to talk about. Number one, of course, being the fact you can see we are still consolidating in between this range. Usually when Bitcoin pumps, the micro coins, if not Luna Classic, usually tend to pump a few days later. So we could be looking for an explosive move. Now, in terms of targets, we have to be very careful here. The fact that we can't break above this resistance level here at 18 is showing the fact that there is a ton of bearish pressure. You can see after this massive move to the downside, we have consolidated for quite a while. So I am expecting a leg either to the upside or to the downside. But as of right now, as long as we hold above this 14 support, we could be looking for an absolute breakout opportunity. The reason why I'm saying this is because the fact you can see that we have been consolidating in this zone for quite a while. And if we go at previous price analysis, you can see we saw the same sort of formation here before we finally had a larger move to the upside. I'm still, of course, focusing more on our overall targets down here for the long term, but this does not change the fact that we do have an inverse bar formation. With Bitcoin playing out its inverse bar formation, it makes sense for all cryptocurrencies to continue follow through. And as of right now, this does not change the fact that we could be looking for an explosive move, possibly to our major resistance level here at 22. You can see because of the consolidation zone, we have been trading in a very tight range. Every time we bounce off that 16 support level, we do create another midterm support. You can see from previous price analysis, we use this level as resistance trying to break above it. And since we have broken above it, we are now consolidating in between this range, which is a bullish factor. Now, what we do have to look at is the hourly time frames. You can see on the hourly, the bulls are trying to maintain control at this 16 support because of the fact that if we do end up breaking this level like we saw yesterday, we could easily see another retest opportunity on our 14 support before that continuation. Any break below that 14 support level and we start to trade below it using it as resistance is a confirmation for us to start creating new lower lows. As you guys can see, we saw the same sort of formation here, had this massive drop opportunity and then the continuation in terms of resistance, but we immediately saw the bullish pressure come in. This is why it's so important to keep a close eye on the hourly charts and see how these levels play out. Now, of course, if we do see a continuation to the downside followed by an area of resistance and then the confirmation, that would be a great opportunity to start looking for some shorting positions. Right now, though, if we talk about Luna Classic, you can see even on the daily time frames, we are using this range extremely tight. The last time we saw this was, you guessed it, around the 86 support level. We were trading in between this range for multiple days before we finally saw that breakout opportunity. Now, I'm going to give you guys a really nice tip here. If you see, of course, Luna Classic start to continue pushing on higher, as well as the exponential moving averages start to rally as well, which it does look like on the daily, we are starting to see some momentum change here. We will see a massive breakout formation because of the fact I've taught you guys, when you use your exponential moving averages as support, as you are near a very crucial resistance point, we do tend to see a massive breakout formation. Right now on the daily time frames, you can see there is somewhat of a bullish pressure, but we do see some bearish engulfing candles as well. So trading in between this range will be lucrative. What you are looking for, of course, is every time we test that 18 range, we look for shorts, and every time we test that 14 range, we look for longs. But be very careful as you guys are trading in between this range, because either side of breakout will be absolutely parabolic. But right now, I I will be looking for some long positions on Luna Classic because the overall market is pumping. We follow what Bitcoin says, and right now Bitcoin is pumping, so there's absolutely no reason to be looking for shorting opportunities. I mentioned the fact that we could be looking for a short squeeze on many cryptos, and we are seeing it play out almost perfectly. So be very careful as you guys are trading. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.